Hi guys, welcome to today's video. I'm sorry they're a little bit out of order, but there is a lot of different cats that came scattered different times a day, and we had the hedgehog come just once or twice, but not much else got recorded other than just the outside overnight footage was mainly just a couple of magpies, couple of pigeons, a couple of cats, and the hedgehog visiting twice. Other than that, nothing much happened, and it was really, really hot. And all day was just really, really hot and not much wind, so I imagine we'll probably not get much visitors for the next couple of days. And if they do, they'll probably come really early or really late. It just depends. But enjoy the video, guys. I've scattered the video across, as you can see. Got the regular there. You got Mr. Tom, Mr. White. Well, I should say Mr. Ginger Tom and Mr. White. And then you've got Mr. Stewart, Pigeon Pigeon. And then the black and white cat came once or twice. Other than that, we've just got Bella the hedgehog. I haven't seen Bertie, the baby hedgehog. I haven't seen it at all. But enjoy the video, guys. Enjoy the video.
I wake up in the morning with a smile on my face, feeling thankful for the love and the happiness we chase. Sun is shining brightly, sky so blue and clear. With every breath I take, I'm grateful you are near. So grateful. Thank you for the laughter, thank you for the tears, thank you for the moments that we hold dear. Thank you for the love, thank you for the light. I'm grateful every day, you make my world so bright. The world can be a crazy place with valleys and with peaks, but you bring joy into my life, turn frowns into cheeks. Through all the ups and downs, you've been my saving grace. With every step we take, our love will find its place. Can be